We will guide you through how to use Lasso tool in Photopea to make a drop shadow. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click the browser icon on your desktop or taskbar to launch it and wait for the window to open completely. Click inside the address bar, type Photopea, and then press Enter on your keyboard to perform the search. From the search results, select the top option, 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘.com, to open the official website. After the Photopea homepage appears on your screen, click the Open from Computer button to access an image stored on your device. Browse to the location where you previously saved the photo you want to edit, click the correct file, and then open it. Once the editing page finishes loading, press Ctrl+0 on your keyboard so the entire canvas fits comfortably within your screen for easier editing. Next, look at the toolbar positioned along the left side of the workspace and find the Lasso Select tool. Select this tool and carefully trace around the object that you want to add a shadow to. Work slowly and precisely so your selection follows the edges neatly and produces a clean result. After completing the selection, press Ctrl+J twice to duplicate the selected area into two separate layers. In the Layers panel, right-click the middle duplicated layer and choose Blending options from the menu. Inside the blending settings, lower the fill value to 0 so only the layer effects remain visible. Then enable the drop shadow effect and increase the distance value as much as needed. Hold the Control key while dragging the shadow direction control to change the angle and direction of the shadow. Once everything looks correct, the shadow effect will enhance your object, and you have successfully learned how to use the Lasso tool in Photopea to create a realistic drop shadow effect.